We at Riedel Life Science Patent Attorneys really enjoy to work together with scientists and entrepreneurs. And so Startup is one of the platforms where we really can meet these people.
Startup is an initiative to identify valuable intellectual property as well as interested entrepreneurs, to bring them together and to help them to transform these third-party technologies into scalable businesses.
The University of Vienna has many exciting technologies and innovations reported to us every year, but we have the problem that most of our academics are not prepared to leave the university. They're committed to the academic career path, and so we need to find people who will take those technologies and do something with them. Our researchers are passionate about getting those technologies to market, but they need help to do so. And so for us it seemed that the Start IP option was a great one for us, which matched outsiders with entrepreneurial skills together with our academics with the vital scientific knowledge.
So we work together with Start IP because we like it that they bring us new deals to the table, that they bring new technology to the table, that they have the universities also involved. So we're very happy to work together with Start IP.
Start IP follows a clear structured process. First, inventions are screened for their commercial potential. Depending on their market potential, the market readiness, and the funding requirements, they are selected and published on the website. At the team-building event, founders and scientists meet in order to discuss technical details and potential use cases. At the end of the day, the founders have to decide whether or not they want to claim one or the other technology. If so, a joint journey starts towards possible commercial success. 3 months later, we meet again at the closing event to see their progress they made, and at this occasion the teams have the opportunity to connect to investors, to funding agencies, as well as to potential customers. There will be awards for the best performing teams.
Start IP is not meant to lure technologies and entrepreneurs into the city of Vienna, but it's meant to be a starting point for commercialization of valuable intellectual property. The businesses that get generated by chance, and hopefully they can choose their point of incorporation, and we just recommend to apply to an incubator. It can be INiTS, but it can be any other incubator anywhere in Austria or Europe.
Well, as a representative of a technology transfer office of an Austrian university, I realize and see on a pretty much daily basis there is a very high potential in commercializing inventions and technologies. It still needs to be realized and activated. I believe that Start IP, that the concept of Start IP, the concept of linking technologies, inventions from academia with entrepreneurs is a very welcome and promising future path of further commercializing IP from universities.
So the Vienna Business Agency is supporting Start IP because we think it's a very important initiative. If you think at the landscape, I think we really have room to improve when it comes to bringing research results and cutting-edge technology to business development. And with this initiative, it's on the one hand identifying these technologies, and on the other hand looking for experienced entrepreneurs and match them. And we really see a huge potential also internationally when it comes to this topic.
That Start IP is a great platform that puts all the excellent innovations made by Austrian universities on display so that founders and companies can get access to these relevant technologies.
So as technology transfer doesn't stop at the borders, our university is very open to take part in such international programs and events like today. So we are interested, and it was a nice program, and I would like to congratulate to all the winners of today.
We support StartIP because we see it as a potential source for deal flow.
We decided to support StartIP because we think it's a great idea to support bringing together entrepreneurs on the one hand, universities and also investors.